The overflow property in CSS defines how an element behaves when its content overflows its boundaries. There are 5 values: visible, hidden, clip, scroll, and auto. Let's go through each one with an example. I have a div with the class block, and inside it, there's a p tag with some text. In the styles, we'll create a class selector called block and give it some size and a border. As a result, you'll see that the text inside goes outside the block's boundaries. If I set overflow visible, nothing really changes because visible is actually the default value. But if I switch it to hidden, the content that goes outside the block just gets cut off. Now, if I use overflow clip, I can control how much content is allowed to go beyond the block's boundaries. There's also overflow scroll. It hides the extra content, but it adds both vertical and horizontal scroll bars, even if they are not really needed. And finally, we have overflow auto. It works kind of like scroll, but scroll bars only show up when the content doesn't fit. To show how that works, let's increase the block's height to 200 pixels. And now you can see the scroll bar is gone. To make the difference easier to spot, here's an image with all the overflow values side by side.